Usembut Menteri Rangba Gejala ubak Presiden Tensong ubak kemiru ya ketenat korbari hak arpulai terik urisau arhajar arpulai ulai lek jengok ya ki puja pandal keberan hakaleng jokonong bak shlong. Hak bagi reunget Hindu kile penlong ya kejingle aniam Durga Puja. Hak ini kejingle jengok le don lang ka Deputy Commissioner ke District East Khasi Hills Ikong RM Korba, Superintendent ki Pudit ke East Khasi Hills ubak S Nong Tenger badu Presiden ka Central Puja Committee Unaba Bhattacharjee. Ubak Presiden Tensong ulai kublai Durga Puja yang baru kirungit Hindu badu kermen scam bagan yang puja mentaka senam jela kan long kemayat bet yat renti bat kebajob. Haga negesi lasaki bagi puja pandal kila shlei negi reunget haga bagi kentai bat cenderang naduk ki kenarit haduk ki temen kila riam bat pong negi jan ke itenat. Bat haba kila rung hagi negi jaka kila bu jing duai kerpang ban mane ya keblai Durga bat kila bamru yuk prasad ubala ai di kinong le aniam. Kajing rakhe ya ke Durga Puja kedai kumshi benta jong kejing job kablai Durga ya u mahi syasura ne kejing job jong kejing bha persya ya kejing seniu.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
2023 celebration of Durga Puja in Shillong, I visited a number of pandals, and I'm so happy to see that all the faithful audience, they attended the respective pujas, and then we have a very peaceful atmosphere also, and I wish this Puja 2023 it goes well, and God will remain with us and will bless us from time to time. And I wish all the pandals that we have here in Shillong and also throughout Meghalaya that it goes well, and God will be always showering His blessing to all of them.